baffles me. My heart says it doesn't wanna forget. All that happens is the memories keep piling up. I wanna stay by your side forever. Is it okay if I'm a crybaby? You don't have to act strong, even if this love is bound to end. I'm happy we were able to meet. Forever, forever, I wish this could go on. Even if I can't take your hand, I still love you. Your dreams bring me peace. I don't wanna wake up, I say. As the memories keep increasing, I wanna be by your side tomorrow too. No matter how far, no matter how far, I want you to scold this insensitive me. I'm still childish, so much so that I don't even notice when the ordinary starts to fall apart. But I truly love you. Mine and yours, if only time could stop. See, I end up hoping again. I'll try to hold it in tight. But if it spills over, look at me. Look me properly in the eyes. Only your shadow keeps stretching out. Please don't disappear. This feeling will never change. Look, forever, forever, I wish this could go on. Even if I can't take your hand, I'm being held by this past and present moment.